As the year ends, it's essential to ensure your security cameras and access control systems are fully operational. Regular maintenance prevents failures, reduces risks, and protects your business. We recommend scheduling professional maintenance with us for thorough expert service. Feel free to use our convenient booking link. Just pause video and scan this QR code. If you prefer to handle it internally, please complete these comprehensive self-checks. Diligence here is critical for reliability and security. Security cameras maintenance checklist. Please complete all of the following. Review storage devices, NVR, DVR, for capacity, errors, and proper archiving. Visually inspect all cameras for damage, vandalism, or environmental wear, cracks, loose mounts, dirty lenses, non-functioning supplemental light. Verify network connectivity and power supply for each camera. Test live view, playback, and recording functionality on all devices. Check image quality, focus, field of view, and night vision or IR performance. Update firmware and software on cameras and recording systems. Test motion detection, alerts, and notifications for accuracy. Inspect cabling and connections for wear or corrosion. Archive and backup configuration settings and important footage. Ensure compliance with privacy laws and data retention policies. Test advanced analytics for detection accuracy and false positives. Verify analytics triggers for PTZ cameras, ensuring smooth pan-tilt-zoom response to events and analytics triggers. Access control maintenance checklist. Test all door locks, readers, and controllers for proper operation. Open-close, access granting. Verify credential recognition, cards, fobs, biometrics, and revoke expired inactive ones. Inspect wiring, power supplies, and backup batteries for damage or low charge. Clean readers, locks, and keypads to remove dirt or buildup. Check network connectivity and integration with other systems. Alarms, HEVAC, fire, or other management software. Update firmware and software on controllers and management systems. Review access logs for anomalies, unauthorized attempts, or errors. Test emergency overrides, fail-safe modes, and integration with fire alarms. Audit user permissions and update as needed for staff changes. Inspect door hardware, hinges, closers, for alignment and smooth operation. Backup system configurations and databases. Archive offsite if possible. Ensure compliance with security standards. ADA for accessibility. Review and update policies if need be. Skipping these steps risks system downtime or breaches. Professional service ensures nothing is missed. Contact us to book or with questions. It's our pleasure to assist anytime. Omaha Security Cameras. Building security from the ground up.